What's up, everybody? Chef Round Eye here on the Griddle Food Network, where we take backyard barbecuing to the next level. If this is your first time here, thanks for checking out the channel. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you get all the notifications of all the great cooks we do here on the channel. Today's episode, we're going Capn Crunch Chicken on the Blackstone Griddle. Griddle up. All right, so let's get our chicken on the griddle top, and then as we go through that, I'm going to explain how we're going to do this Capn Crunch Chicken. All right, I've got these nice chicken tenderloins I picked up at Publix. Already smashed them and got them tenderized here. So normally in an air fryer, or if you were in a deep frying, these would already be breaded and ready to go. But we're going to do it a little bit differently on the Blackstone. So I've got these nice tenders. So I'm going to get these to about 150 degrees. Once they get to about 150 degrees, I'm going to pull them. I've got flour that I'm going to put them in. Now this flour, I've got 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of onion powder mixed in here for that good pop. So that's our flour. We're going to have that. Once we go there, we're going to do an egg wash. I've got a couple eggs here mixed in with the milk, all whipped up. So this is ready to go after it goes in the flour. Then we'll put it in the egg wash. From there, Capn Crunch. I've got half a cup of regular Panko breadcrumbs. The rest of it is 3 cups of chopped up through the food processor Capn Crunch cereal. So we got the Captain involved. I've got a lot of fine Capn Crunch in there, and then I've got some big ones that I kind of crush with my hands to add a little presentation to it. So it'll go in here. I'll make sure it's dry, not dripping wet, and then we'll go back on here, finish it the rest of the way on the Blackstone. So this is already cooking quickly, which is a good thing. Do a little temperature check. Yeah, we're almost there. They're nice, they're thin. Probably take a little bit longer if they were big, thick chicken breasts, but these are chicken tenderloins. Again, I tenderized them before I wanted to put them on there. So we're getting just what we wanted. All right, so we're gonna get these off. All right, so now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna toss them, get them prepared, and then we'll put them back on the Blackstone. We're gonna start the chicken, flour, egg wash, Capn Crunch, set it here on my tray, then we'll get back over to the Blackstone. So let's see here. Nice. All right, egg wash. Good in there. And a little bit of Capn Crunch. All right. 1. All right. So why do we only cook them halfway? Because we're going to put them back on there. We don't want to burn the chicken. We want to keep it tender. We don't want to dry it out. So I've got everything I checked everyone. All the temps were right between 145, 150. They cook quick, pull them off. So When we get back on there, it's going to be a high temp. We're going to flash them, get the outside cooked, make sure the egg is cooked, and then we're going to pull them right off, and we'll see if we nailed it. Chicken's on the Blackstone. I'm using canola oil. It's set at high temps all the way across the all the burners, and I'm giving them 2 minutes on each side. I've already got them down there, so we'll flip them, then we'll go another 2 minutes, and they should be ready to go. All right, we got our chicken. Let's get these off and let it cool down. Our Capn Crunch Chicken, it's done. You can see here, beautifully cooked through chicken all the way through. Got that nice golden crunch. Got a little charred on the outside. Should have been more less 30 seconds to a minute on that flash, and not 2. But you learn from it. You create, and you if you're learning, you're not failing. So without any ado, let's see Capn Crunch Chicken. Let's see if we got it. Hell yeah. This is delicious. Oh, I gotta get another bite. Beautiful crusted. It's not overpowered with Capn Crunch like you would think. You've got the flavor. The chicken is juicy. It's not dried out. Great flavor. Definitely highly recommended for the Blackstone. A recipe you can do. You can air fry it, you can bake it, you can cook it on the stove in a frying pan, and of course, we can put it on the Blackstone Griddle and cook it up. Again, in your flour, 2 tablespoons of pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, mix it up, a couple eggs for the egg wash, Capn Crunch, put it in a chop or a grinder, chop it all up, get it fine, leave some nice big chunks in there for the extra crust. On the griddle, tenderize your chicken, smash it out, put it on your griddle, get it almost to where it's done, pull it, wash it or flour it, wash it, captain it up, and get it back on there for about 30 seconds to a minute on each side, and you are ready to go. The kids will love these. Everyone should love these. The whole family will love these. These are delicious. Capn Crunch Chicken on the Griddle Food Network. Round eye out. Griddle up.